The last trip on my bike, the KTM 250 Adventure, aka Adventure, was almost a year back. Never have I thought that the gap would be for so long. But ever wondered what took it so long? Not sure of any one of you as my lovely audience, but as a content creator, as a YouTuber, a traveler, a visual storyteller, I've been asking this to myself since then, that why did I stop? मैं रुक क्यों गया? আমি থেমে কেন গেলাম? I had no specific answers. Probably I still don't. But here I am, out on the road again, to somewhere away from the mundane everyday, from the rat race we all are in some or the other form. Where am I going? You would all come to know as the vlog proceeds. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the visual story as it unfolds, the AIRmotovlogs style. Let's go.